$2 or 20-cent trucks that they have. Yeah. This is your son that you see maybe once a month, and that's all you're going to do for him?
Are you making it too?
No, I bought it.
What is it?
I'm not You ready to go? You're probably not going to see your daddy come over here. He's probably not going to make it over here.
All right, we got Chris Carver. One of those Carver boys.
Because they told him. Look, there was your daddy.
Look out, man. That thing will jump out from under you.
Don't fog too much at first. How far, Dale?
Chris Carver.
167.